Hello guys, welcome back to our new video and hope so you are enjoying our course and the journey with us. So today we are going to cover our next most important topic in GHL and which is custom fields. Yes, custom fields is same as the fields that we are used to store some type of data. Okay, for example, your name can be stored in the first name, full name, your email address can be stored in email field. Similarly, your home address can be stored in address fields, your zip code can be stored inside the zip code field. So these all types of fields are called custom fields, and today we will learn that how we can create new custom fields inside Go High Level. And let's move towards GHL screen and let's see how we can create new custom fields. Okay guys, you are in GHL screen, and before going to create new custom fields, let's have a look at how custom fields look like. So on the left side we will move inside the contacts and let's open any of the contacts available here. Let's open that we created in our first lecture or in our first video. And let's wait for it. Okay, so this one is the one that we created in our first video, which is the Auxth Ansar. And you can see first name, this is custom field, last name, this is custom field. These all are custom fields. Till to the last, UTM content is a custom field, LinkedIn is a custom field. These all are custom fields to store information about the contact. And now let's see how we can create new custom fields inside these contacts. So for that we will move towards the settings, which is on the left bottom, and here you can see custom fields option. I will simply click on it, and after that we will move inside a new window where we will move inside the folders, and here we will select contact, which is already selected. That's good. After that, now we want to create new custom field. I'm going to create inside general info, and inside general info on the right top side you can see there is a button named as add field. I will simply click on it, and now you can see that you can create multiple types of custom fields. Yes, single line, which is usually used to store email, first name, last name, things like that, which is shorter in length. Multi-line is used to store addresses, used to store short introduction about a contact and things like that, which is a little larger than a single line. Then text boxes are there, which is same as multiple line, but it is a box, a proper box. And then we are here with the values that is used to store integers. It can be a decimals, it can be values, it can be percentages, anything like that. And then the number, the phone is used to store the phone number of any country. And then monetary is used to store the amounts, things like that. And the drop down means single. There is a word written single, means that you can only store one item in the drop down, and in multiple drop down you can store multiple items. Usually we use this drop down with multiple signs. Then the radio buttons are here, checkboxes are here, date picker is here, where if I enter this one we will get a calendar on our screen and we can choose any type of date. After that, file upload and signatures both are here. So now let's move towards number, and let's move towards monetary. Let's move towards number, no problem. So let's name the field, and I am going to BUDGET budget. Object is contacts because we are creating inside the contacts, and inside contact we are creating inside general info. So all things are good, and now let's simply save it. And now we think that our budget has been added. Here you can see on the bottom, budget has been added. So now let's move towards the contacts and let's see that whether our budgets has been added or not inside the contacts and inside general info. I'm inside the general info. Okay, so now let's refresh the screen. Okay, give me a second. Okay, well, Well, I'm actually not getting the sign to make it refresh. Okay, so now let's check. And we have to go inside general info and additional general info. Yes, actually we need to refresh the screen, and let me do that for you guys. Actually my refresh cursor is hidden, so that's why I am unable to refresh it. And let's make it from here. Okay, so now let's move inside the contacts and let's see that our budget custom field is there or not. Guys, it's a slow internet, so no worries about that. Okay, now let's move inside the contacts. And now we will move inside general info against any contact. And one more most important thing, that each custom field will appear against each contact. So means you don't have to create new custom field for every contact. Okay, so you can see that budget is here, and now let's add budget about 1000. Okay, I added 1000. Now the most important thing, I know that you haven't used the custom, or you can say the workflows, but let me show you a short workflow that we can create. uh, Actually we can use the custom fields there as well, so that's why I am moving towards automations inside the workflows, but we will cover it thoroughly when we move towards automation. And I think we will cover automation in week 3 or week 4, something around that. And let's make it inside this workflow. Okay, we are inside the workflow, and let's see how we can use custom fields here. Okay, so instead of trigger we will move towards action, and let's send email. Okay, you can create the contact from here as well. Okay, let's start from creating contact and add field, and here you can select your custom field, which is I think budget. We can search it. Okay, budget appears here, and you can assign it a value as well. Okay, let me assign it a value of 5000 from here. Yes, and after that let me save it. Okay, email and phone numbers are also required for that. Okay, here is the email, and email is abbh@gmail.com. And okay, let's see that whether only email works with the, yeah, email can work only. And now let's add these custom fields inside the email as well, and hope so that I can show you the email as well that I will receive from the workflow. Okay, now let's edit the email from Auxth, and from info subject should be custom fields information. It is a subject. And now we can add the contact, and the contact should be the full name. So here you can see that I added the custom field. Let me show you again from where we can add custom fields. You will move your arrow towards this arrow option, and you will automatically see the custom values appear there. You will simply click on that, And further that there were multiple custom fields appear in front of you related to the contact, related to the company, user, appointment, calendar, and a lot of custom fields are here. So now we are working with the contact custom field. So I will click on contact, and now you can select any type of custom field here. Budget will also appear here. Custom field inside bottom custom field, and then you can, if the budget is not appearing here, we can simply search it. Yes, you can see here budget will get appear and budget has been get added. Okay, so now let's test the emails. Actually email will not work. You know why? Because we haven't added any trigger right here. When we add trigger, then we can receive the proper email. But for now, let me show you that whether how we can receive emails from the workflows. Let's test that. This is the temporary email, and let's save my action. Let's me go to inside again. Oh shit. Okay, let's select this one and let's test email. Okay, email test has been sent, and let us see that whether we have received a new email by Auxth Digital Media or not. And I think that we received that. Yes, custom field information. Let's open it, and here you can see Abu Bakr get appears. Wow. You know what? From where this Abu Bakr is getting appearing, because if behind we go inside digital media, you can see that here I select contact name. Okay, here is Hi Abu Bakr is here, this one, and the custom field is also showing my name, Abu Bakr. Wow, perfect. Okay, so this is all about custom fields till now, and let's move towards our next topic in the next video. Thank you, and if you liked the video, you can click on the like button and subscribe us, follow the channel. Thank you, bye bye.